everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jamie and today I'm gonna show you what I got in my Ipsy Plus box. So this is what the box looks like. Thumbnail. And it says in the little card, July 2020, take a break. It just tells you what to do to stay alive, I guess. That's going in the trash. And let's start with the first thing. We always get a bag that says Wanderlust, and it has a little zipper. It's kind of like, it's like vinyl or kind of like a soft plastic, so it'd be good for going to the beach. Not that I go to the beach, but yeah. And then I will show you what I added on last. So let me figure out what I have here. Let's go with the first thing right here. It is Awake Glow Pill Super Serum. And it's just a serum that you can put on. It says use me AM and PM. It's a skin hydrating vitamin in a serum. And I put this on my hand, and I don't really have a smell. It has a really cute bottle, and it should last a while. And like I said before, I really do like serums, so I'm glad to have got that, because I think I'm almost out of my watermelon serum. So the next thing is Watermelon Burst Hydrating Primer by Ciate London. Like, I used this today underneath my foundation. That's what it looks like. It does smell like watermelon. It smells good. And that is the opening. And it does have black little dots in it. But, see, like little dots. And the opening is really large. And then it has this little thing. I don't really like the opening, but let's see. This little dot, it goes away into nothing. So it's kind of weird. But I like it. Used it today. But yeah, it's hydrating primer. You put it under your makeup. What else is there to say? Let's see. The next thing I got was, let me get this here, was the El Maquillage single eye color, multi-dimensional eye color, Color Boss. What color is this? This is Eyes on the Prize. And this is quality packaging. This whole thing is metal. Look how pretty it is. It's kind of finger printed up, but it's really pretty. A lot of people were saying, well, I don't really use singles. I don't really either, but look at how pretty that is. You can't see, it's really shimmery. It doesn't look as good on camera, but it's very pretty. I definitely am glad to have that. And I wonder how much this is. I'll try to look up the things and put on the full price. I'll just do full price. Okay. And then the next thing is what I should have put on top of this lipstick. This is Nature's Cartel Brilliant Shimmer Lip Gloss. Now, I have this on. It's in VCR Static. Okay. It's really pretty. It doesn't taste the best. It doesn't have the best, like, scent. It doesn't have, but let's put it on over this. It's got, like, I don't know if you can see. It's got a lot of shimmer. There you go. It's pretty. It really is. I ain't mad at it. I just don't really have a good taste. I probably shouldn't have put that over my liquid lipstick, but you live, you learn, you know. Okay, and the very last thing before I show you what I added on, I got the Ofra in glazed donut. This is gorgeous. I've never had a Ofra highlighter or for anything before, as far as I know. But this is gorgeous. I don't know if you can tell on camera. It is gorgeous. Their packaging is a little cheapy, but the product inside makes up for it because this is beautiful. It's stunning, okay? So, and then we'll get on to what I added on. I added on this Purely's coconut oil plumeria silky body butter. And it's just like a little body butter. It smells coconutty and plummy. So I added that on. I'm not sure how much that was, and I'm not sure. I probably won't put the prices in for that stuff. Well, and then I got Pink Milk Mask by Duft and Doft. I never heard of that. Well, I heard of it once. But there's 3 masks in here. And yeah. Tone Up and Radiance. And then it must be like from Japanese or something like that. But yeah, there's 3 of them in there. Excited to use these. And then I think that's it besides the number 1 thing that I added. I got the Jackie Aina palette for $25 and the lip color. So I'm wearing lip color right now, but y'all probably know what the Jackie Aina palette looks like. I got it on my eyes today. So yeah, I got this and the lipstick. There's the outside, by the way. Pretty. And the lipstick is in Bittersweet, and I really like it. Probably shouldn't have added that, but that is everything for my Ipsy Plus. I hopefully like this. Someone's coming in, so gotta go. Thanks for watching. Make sure you follow my social media. Bye.